There's Ellie watching Sleeping Beauty. At Charlotte and Lizzie's house the day before Halloween. And we just had a huge snowstorm, didn't we, Els? It's going to be a strange Halloween this year. You watching Sleeping Beauty?
Uncle Bob.
Uncle Bob. Are you my Sleeping Beauty? I love you. You eating Cheerios in your PJs. We have to go home and figure out what we're going to do. You do nice. We had to stay the night because we had a power outage in Westboro. So we're here watching Sleeping Beauty. I love you, Ellie. Okay, we gotta get going soon. Bye.